Let yourself be moved by the subtle touch of sound, the harmonizing power of naturally tuned sound waves, bringing the body, emotions, and mind into deep rest and balance. All instruments in this sound spa treatment are tuned according to harmonic proportional frequencies, which reflect the ordered matrix of creation. Through the sound therapy of Svaram in the Saukyam Spa, dive into an atmosphere of powerful sound waves. Relax, retune your system, realign to your natural frequency, coming into a renewing resonance. Gently focus on your Mooladhara chakra and envision a warm glow of the color red. This is your root chakra. Meditate on the thought, I am.
Love.